Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to IKEA. We are getting ready to go right now. Hopefully we don't run into a lot of business, like it's super busy. There's my muscles, because I can't lift up most things. So hopefully it's not too crazy busy. I'm kind of anticipating it to be, so if I don't record the whole thing, I'm sorry, but I will try to vlog as much of it as possible. Also, if it's not very busy, then you will see us putting together my new vanity set, and then I might I don't know, take you guys through that process, or I don't know, whatever. Yeah, let's get going. So we finally got to IKEA with no traffic, which was so lucky, and I was super worried that it was gonna be super busy, but it's empty. We parked really close to the front, and it's Memorial Day weekend, so we're gonna get sales without the crowds, and I'm hyped.
Yeah, we're pretty lucky that there was no traffic, because she probably would have hit everybody.
I'm a great driver, okay, shut up. But hopefully I don't jinx it and there's a bunch of people in there. I hope it's
it looks stacked,
representative.
right? It's empty.
Yeah, so fingers crossed.
Bye.
Don't turn it, you're gonna break the mirror.
No, it turns like this. This is how you're supposed to push carts.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is how you're supposed to push carts, on its side.
You do that.
That seems legit. Look it. Yum.
Looks pretty fun.
It does, huh? I am eating my cinnamon roll, and he is doing all of the work.
We're also vlogging in the middle of the road.
So, this way. I'm very helpful. So we just finished getting everything from IKEA, and I didn't record much because we were kind of looking at everything, it's all so pretty and stuff.
Yeah, she's kind of an airhead.
How would I be an... Whatever.
Start over?
At IKEA, there were no lines. There were I think we waited behind 2 people. It was barely empty. It was there were a bunch of kids running around because it's IKEA, but it wasn't that bad. And I'm excited. So now we're gonna go home and build it all and hopefully get it done before I have to start working, but I'm not sure. You can see it all right there though. Look at that.
Yeah,
Yay.
I broke a sweat. She did nothing.
I did something. I ate my cinnamon roll and I helped with that.
Yeah,
I got
that
the
was
thing
really
in the bed of
good.
the truck, the actual desk setup.
Yeah, I actually carried it though.
He's mean. Okay, bye. So we are home and now we're going to set it up, watching Netflix, and hopefully if we can get it to work. And yeah, I'm gonna try and show you guys this process if I can figure out camera angle. Yay, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a time lapse of everything, but I just wanna point out, I do already have the Alex 9 drawers. I just had them in my brother's room because I wasn't using them right now. I was kind of minimalizing my collection, but I want to have a vanity now, so I'm changing it. But yeah, I do already have the Alex 9 drawers. We just got the Alex set to add on. We got the tabletop, the Lidman tabletop, I think it is. And then we got the Alex 5 drawers for under it. And then we got the the desk set that has pulls on one side and the drawers on one side because I didn't need 2 sets of the Alex 5 drawers because I already have the 9 drawers. And then we also got some dividers for the drawers, which I'm not sure if I'll need yet, but I might. And then we also got a mirror for on the wall and then a little standing mirror for my desktop. So that's what we got, and it's all gonna go right in this area right here. Okay, bye. So there's kind of a big mess, but, oh, and there's the organizational things that I'm going to put in the drawers. But look at my new setup. Caleb, you're in it.
Yeah.
This is my new setup. Yeah, and that lights up. Hi. Hi. Oh, it looks so good. That's going to be mounted eventually, but right now we don't have a hammer, and so I can't nail it into the wall. But for right now, it's pretty cute still. My TV is going to be mounted up there. Ignore that. I'm going to fix that. But hopefully that's going to be done soon too. And yeah, I'm going to figure out this scenario because it's kind of off center now that I have the vanity there. Before it was like right above this area, which is really messy. Excuse that. But yeah, I'm really excited. I might not even keep the bookshelf here. I might take that into my brother's room or something. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is it. I don't really have time to organize and like put stuff in the drawers right now because I have to go to work soon. But if you want to see a video of me like organizing stuff and like putting everything away, let me know. The only thing I still have to get is a chair for right here, obviously. And yeah, then I will be set and done. I'm so excited. I'm really happy with how it looks and how it turns out and how everything goes together. Like I said, those are my old Alex 9 drawers. And then here are the Alex 5 and the Lidman tabletop. And I have no idea what the legs are called. And that's the something with an N. I'm not sure what it's called. It's like a, what is it?
I'm not sure where to put it.
Me either.
It's the Nessidle.
The Nessidle? That's that mirror. It's 25 by 25 or 25 inches and 25 and 5/8. I don't know. Yeah, but that's that. And then I have this little mirror that's just battery operated and it just turns on and off. And I love that because it's going to be a little extra light while I'm doing my makeup because I am planning on sitting here doing my makeup. And then I can like still watch TV like when it's above because right now I've been watching TV like while I do my makeup. So yeah, this is it. That's that. What?
Just gonna put these in here.
Oh, cool. Yeah, he's putting my... I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to use those yet, but I got 3 of them because I figured I have some organizational things. It looks a mess, but like I have some of these still from when I used to have this. It's so random. So I have like some of those. And
you got 3 big drawers.
well, I'm probably not going to keep those in the big ones. I'm probably going to put palettes in the big ones.
Yeah, true.
But yeah. So I will figure all that later. I hope you guys enjoyed. The lighting's a little weird. That's okay. I might even put, because there's going to be a shelf under my TV once it's mounted, and I might put like LED light strip under it so that I get some light when I'm doing my makeup, but I'm not entirely sure yet. So it is the next day, and I am sitting at my vanity right now. I potentially have a new filming space. I'm not entirely sure because I do have the window behind me and like my bed and everything. I am probably getting new curtains today, maybe soon for sure, but that might help a little bit with the lighting because I can't close them. They're like pretty much blackout curtains, so I think I'm gonna get white curtains just because I think it would go with my room a little bit better and like amplify the space, I guess. But I am sitting here. I did already organize everything and put everything together, so I was going to film that process for you guys, but if you'd rather see like just a tour now, let me know. If you don't want to see a tour, that's cool too. My entire room has changed, and honestly, there's still changes coming, so I can do like a room tour eventually after everything's done, but I am going to get like a new bed set, and I'm going to get new curtains, and my TV is going to be mounted, and like there's just a lot of things happening and coming, so I think I might do like a room tour. If you'd like me to do a separate video of a room tour and a makeup vanity tour, then like let me know. But if you guys want to see the vanity tour like soon, let me know about that too. And I do still have the rest of my Jaclyn Hill palette demos coming. I filmed one of them, I just haven't edited it yet, and then the second one for the last one for Ring the Alarm, I haven't filmed or edited yet, so that one I still need to do, but it is coming, and I'm still kind of forming my opinion on them, so that I can do like a overall review, because they're pretty controversial, and sneak peek, I like mine, but I will get into that in a different video and like explain why. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure if I love the setup with this, so I'm not sure when I will do the makeup vanity tour, but yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. I love you guys. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.